This will be a demonstration of packing the 400-foot dead load Minuteman attack line. Begin with the female coupling and place it at the edge of the hosebed on the leftmost side. Flat load approximately 2 lengths of the hosebed. This will ensure that there is adequate length for the engineer to connect to the pump panel after deployment. Begin with the second section of hose that has a female coupling rolled in. Begin flat loading this on top of the first section of hose. Ensure you have a 6-foot tail with the male coupling before you make your folds. Connect the third section and continue flat laying. Connect the fourth section and continue flat laying. Once this fourth section of hose is laid, connect the fourth section to the first section which is sitting behind the hose bed. Then continue laying the hose rear to front. Ensure that there are no twists in the hose before connecting the coupling. Bring the tail from the beginning of the second section of the hose back and set it aside for the second stack. Begin the second stack at 200 feet with the nozzle on the bottom. Flat load the entire 200 feet on top of the nozzle. Complete the hose load by connecting the top coupling of the second stack and the tail from the second section of hose in the first stack together. To deploy the 400-foot Minuteman, the first firefighter will place the stack with the nozzle on their shoulder. Then the second firefighter will take the second stack and place that on their shoulder. The stack without the nozzle, carried by the second firefighter, will flake out first. When the second stack has been completely flaked out, the first stack with the nozzle will start to flake out.